Hello friends, I am Sudipta Sarkar and this is Coding Knowledge, and today we are going to see how we can print a Fibonacci series on our console. So what is basically Fibonacci series? Fibonacci series is a series like in which the next number will be the sum of previous two numbers. So let me draw something for you to understand more efficiently. Like here you can see I have written 0, 1, 1, 2, 3, 5, 8, 13. So how I have written this? So you can see that I have drawn something that we all know that our number series is starting from 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So the first number is 0 and the second number is 1. So Fibonacci series also start with 0 and 1. But what is the next number of 0 and 1 in Fibonacci series? I have already told you that in Fibonacci series, the next number will be the summation of first two numbers. So initially, the first two numbers of Fibonacci series is 0 and 1. So what would be the third number? Third number will be the summation of 0 and 1. So the third number is 0 plus 1 equal to 1. You can see I have drawn that 0 plus 1 is representing the third number. So 0 plus 1 equal to 1. That's why the third number is the summation of first and second number is 1. What would be the fourth number then? Fourth number will be the summation of second and third number. So what are the second and third numbers? 1 and 1. So summation of 1 and 1 is 2. Then the fourth number will be 2. Then the fifth number will be summation of third one and fourth one. So what is the third one number? 1, and the fourth one is 2. So 2 plus 1 equal to 3. So that's why the fifth number of the Fibonacci series is 3. So then the sixth number will be 3 plus 2 equal to 5. The seventh number is 5 plus 3 equal to 8. The eighth number is 13, and that's how it is going to the n number of terms. So what is the Fibonacci series like? 0, 1, 1, 2, 3, 5, 8, 13, and it will go up to n numbers. So now we have to see that how we can print a Fibonacci series on our console in C language with def C++. Now let me go to def C++ and I will take a new page with Ctrl N, and what we have to do, firstly we have to take the library file #include stdio.h, and then void main. I have already told you that we have to take two initial number first. What is the initial number of Fibonacci series? The second and first number, which is 0 and 1. So we have to declare here two variables, 0 and 1 initially, because the third number of the series we can get from the summation of 0 and 1. So we take here 0 and 1 as a variable, like suppose I have take here first equal to 0, comma second equal to 1. Obviously we have to declare this integer, and now what we have to do, that we have to print. I have already told you about for loop. So what we have to do, using loop. Why we have to use loop? Because we have to do summation with previous two values repeatedly. Like if we add first and second, then we have to print first, then second variable, then the summation of first and second, and again let me show you here that if this is first variable and if this is second variable, so the summation of first and second will be this one, and then again we have to initialize first variable as the second term, and we have to initialize second variable as the third term. and then we can get the fourth term, and again we have to initialize first term with the previous one and the second variable with the recent value, and the summation of first and second will have to print the next value. So it is a repeated thing. That's why we have to use for loop. So how can we use this for loop in this case? First we have to know that if we want to print up to a particular term or up to a particular number. Suppose you have the question that like print Fibonacci series up to 8th term. So what you have to do, that you have to iterate the command or the code which you are going to write for 8 times. Or you have the question like that print Fibonacci series up to 13. So what you have to do, you have to print up to 30 of the Fibonacci series, not the 13th item or not the 8th item. So you have to print up to 13. So now I am going to print up to 8th term first. So what we have to do, for I equal to, we have to take, if we take I equal to initially 2 and then we are going to 8, then 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, then only we can go up to 8th term, because already first 2 term we have like 0 and 1. If we treat like that, so then we have to take I equal to 3. Why? Because we have already first and second term. So I have to take I equal to 3, then I less than equal to 8, means I will have to go the third term, from third term to 8th term of the Fibonacci series, and then what will be the incrementation condition, that I plus plus. And then what we have to do, I have already told you that we have to add first and second variable, and then we have to initialize first variable, in the term of second variable, and we have to initialize second variable in the term of recent result. So what we have to do, that second equal to or second plus equal to, you can say first, that means second equal to second plus first, and then we will first evaluate the result value or the summation value as first plus second. Yes. Now what we have to do, I have already said you that we have to initialize the resultant value in second variable, and the second variable we have to initialize in first variable. So what that means, that now we have to update the values. How we can update the values? We have to write that first equal to second, that means the second value will be initialized in the first variable, and the second value will be the resultant value. So what it is like, that now it will do it like that first equal to 0 initially and second equal to 1. So 0 plus 1, result value, the value of result variable will be 1, and first equal to second, that means second value is as 1. So now first equal to 1 and second equal to result, means the result value will be initialized in the second variable. So what is result value now? Result value is 1. So now second value is 1. So what is first and second value now? 1 1. So in the next, when the loop will return again in the first line, so what will be the result? Result equal to first and second. So what is first and second? First and second are 1 and 1. So 1 plus 1 equal to 2. Then result equal to 2. Then first equal to second. Second value is already 1. So first will be also 1. And second value will be the resultant value, which is 2. Then now first equal to 1 and second equal to 2, and when the for loop will return again to the first line, then the result equal to will be 1 plus 2, which is 3. Then first equal to second, second value is 2, so first equal to 2 and second equal to result, so second value is 3. So again it is 2 plus 3 equal to 5. That's it will go up to the 8th term from the third term. Now we can do here, we can do, as we have to print it in repeated way, like we have to print at first 0 and 1, then we have to print 1, then means the resultant value of first two values. So what is it? We have to print with printf value that the %d means we have to print result. We will do print here a space before %d because we need space to having the gap between two numbers. And here we obviously have to declare a result value and the I for initializing the for loop. So if we print this, it will automatically print from like this term, this one, and it will print 1 2 3 5 8 13, but we need 0 and 1 to be print. So how we can print this? So we have to print before the for loop, because we have already taken the 0 and 1 as the initialization value. So the iterative manner it will be not printed. We have to print it before the iteration. So what we have to print? That the Fibonacci series up to 8th term is %d space %d. Now we have to print here first, comma second. So now it will print first 0 and 1, and then it will print from the third term to 8th term and 1 2 3 4 like that. Now we have to save it, the C source file, and I will save it naming program 9.c file. Now it is saved. Now we have to compile it. Okay, yes, you can see I have a typing mistake. Include it will be, save it again, and now compile it. Just a minute. Oh, it will #include. Now compile it. It is saying that I have not given here a semicolon. It is again said I have not given here a semicolon. Now there is no compilation error. Now we have to print it. You can see the term is, the Fibonacci series up to the 8th term is 0 1 1 2 3 5 8 13, which is already I have show you here, that is the 8th term 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8. The 8th up to 8th term the Fibonacci series is 0 1 1 2 3 5 8 13, and here also we have get the output that the Fibonacci series up to 8th term is 0 1 1 2 3 5 8 13. So we have successfully run the program. So that is for today, guys. You can try the program at your own with this coding. Thank you very much. If you like my videos, if you like my channel, you can subscribe my channel and get the bell notification in all, because further I have uploaded any video, you will be notified soon. Thank you very much for today. Thank you.